How to activate Capital One Bank credit card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in capitalone.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Capital One Bank. Now over here you will find different sections. Head towards the section of credit cards, click on it. You'll see this option of activate credit card, click on this option. You will land to this kind of page. Capital One offers popular credit card with rewards that are easy to redeem. Its card typically have low or no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees and rewards that can be redeemed with no premium. Over here you will find two options, sign in and activate and enroll and activate. If you have already created the account, you can click on this option of sign in and activate. In the case you haven't created the account, click on the option of enroll and activate. As I have already created the account, I have selected this option of sign in and activate. Now you have to fill this, provide your credentials, username and password. Once you type in, click on the option of sign in and with that you will be logged into your account. Once you log in, you will get access to credit card. You will find the section of credit card. You have to click on it and activate it. So that's all for this video. This is how you can activate Capital One Bank credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.